In apparel manufacturing, a marker is a special kind of stencil that illustrates how pattern pieces of one or more garments should be cut from several layers of fabric. The person who arranges the marker is the marker planner. It's his or her job to arrange the pattern pieces efficiently, wasting as little of the fabric as possible. The percentage of fabric cut into pieces is called the pattern yield. When the yield is high, the arrangement of pieces is described as a tight marker, and the percentage of fabric actually used is its material utilization. The marker paper is the same width as the fabric to be cut. Traditionally, the marker planner draws full-scale tracings of pattern pieces using tagboard patterns as a guide. It's an exacting process in which every square inch of fabric that can be used is used. To increase the yield, planners draw markers that include multiple sizes of the garment. These sizes are generated from the grading process. Creating a tight marker can be a challenge, especially when it includes multiple sizes. Fortunately, computer-aided design, which has had such a significant impact on the textile and apparel industry in the last 20 years, also has made marker creation and grading fast and accurate.